Very good afternoon to all. And today's chapter is acid rain. You can see, have a glance towards this video. You will understand what acid rain is and how the rainwater becomes acidic and what its harmful effects. Normally, the rainwater is slightly acidic because some amount of carbonic acid is present in the rainwater. So, when the rain occurs, the water combines with the atmospheric carbon dioxide and giving rise to carbonic acid, which is slightly acidic, and that makes the water acidic. The pH of the rainwater is nearly 6. It is due to that low acidic substance, that is carbonic acid. But when acid rain occurs, the pH level decreases from 6 to downwards, maybe 3 or even lower than that. So, what is this acidity increases? Maybe 2 times, maybe 3 times, maybe 10 times, maybe 1000 times. If we will see what is pH, pH is nothing but the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. So, change in one pH is nothing but 10-fold in acidity. That's if we will see there is a change in but 1000 times of acidity changes if there is a change from pH 6 to pH 3. Okay. Normally what happens, you can have a glance towards this. The soil contains the minerals like potassium sulfate and other sulfates also, including other minerals. Okay. So what happens, it contains sulfur. Okay. Now when the tree dies, then it remains in the soil along with the sulfur present in that. After some years, that is called as fossil fuel, and this sulfur content is in nearly about 1 to 4% by weight. Then when that fossil fuel is burnt, then what happens, the carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide is produced, because this is nothing but the carbon content and the sulfur. Now they combine with the oxygen, and you can see that combines with the oxygen forming carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Now the carbon dioxide remains in the atmosphere and the level is increased, and also that can react with water forming carbonic acid. Similar way, the sulfur dioxide also combines with water, giving rise to sulfur trioxide, as it is seen. Then again that combines with water, giving rise to sulfuric acid, and the rainwater becomes acidic. Similarly, the fossil fuels, when it is burnt, that contains also, that is some nitric oxide, that is NO, and air contains 80% of nitrogen in the atmosphere. Now, the similar to the formation of sulfuric acid, also from the nitric oxide, the nitric acid is formed. So, NO that combines with the H2O water, giving rise to nitric acid HNO3. Now, this nitric acid as well as sulfuric acid makes the rainwater acidic. Now, so finally we came to that the rainwater becomes acidic due to nitric acid and sulfuric acid. What is its impact, harmful impacts? So now, because when it comes with the rainwater, the water becomes acidic in nature. So that acidic nature impacts to living organisms. You can see in the two figures, one is vinegar contaminated and another is simply in water. Now what happens in cowdate, you can see what is the impact. You see both are the preserved foods. This is in case of what, the pickling in case of vinegar. So look towards this figure. So now see towards this figure, you will understand. Normally the soil contains the different kinds of minerals, including the H+ ion, the minerals like your other ions like calcium ion, magnesium ion, potassium ion, etc., along with H+ ion. So when the rain occurs, then the calcium ions, magnesium ion, potassium ions, or the mineral ions, they are replaced, they go downwards in the presence of H+ ion of acidic water. So this is one of the impacts how the rainwater affects. Similarly, it affects to all others also, like your aquatic life system. The water becomes acidic, and the aquatic animals, those who live in the aquatic system, they suffer quite a lot due to the acidity nature of the water. that is due to high pH. So this is all about your rainwater. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, thank you all. What is that? What is that? Please keep it and then I will something I will fill that and then I will
Then
upload
how you use?